What appears on screen is a practical accessory kit for portable generators, specifically designed to redirect and reduce the exhaust output during operation. The setup appears to consist of flexible tubing, connectors, and some form of muffling element that attaches to a generator's exhaust outlet. At first glance, the purpose seems clearly defined. Generator exhaust contains carbon monoxide and produces significant noise, and the combination of redirection and noise dampening appears to address both concerns in a single product. This seems particularly relevant for users who operate generators in confined spaces like garages or near living areas. One thing that stands out is the compatibility consideration. Generator exhaust outlets vary in diameter across brands and models, so verifying fitment before purchasing appears essential. Most kits of this type seem to include adapters for common sizes, but reviews suggest confirming specific compatibility is worth the extra step. Moving on to the noise reduction claim, extension kits appear to provide moderate sound dampening. Expectations of complete silence seem unrealistic, but a noticeable reduction in exhaust noise at the point of exit appears achievable based on user reports. From here, the safety aspect of proper installation appears especially important. Any exhaust modification should direct fumes completely away from occupied areas, and the kit's sealing performance seems critical to that goal. Overall, the experience feels like a functional accessory for a specific and legitimate need. Some users may require professional installation for the safest outcome. Depending on your generator model and operating environment, this appears to offer a practical improvement in both safety and comfort.